Have you ever wished you could just clone your best employees? Seriously, imagine a whole team of them working around the clock 24/7, totally in sync and all powered by AI. Well, that's pretty much the promise of PraisonAI. It's this new framework for building these powerful collaborative AI teams, and today we're going to see exactly how it works.
And hey, this is not just some far-off theoretical idea. So get this, a tutorial was posted on how to build an AI customer support team using this framework, and it got a response from Elon Musk himself. Just 2 words, Grok 3 customer support. I mean, that one little comment, it hints at the massive potential we're talking about here. We're talking about building some seriously enterprise-grade AI systems.
So, this brings up a pretty game-changing question, doesn't it? What if you could build AI teams that are that powerful, but not with a massive engineering department and a huge budget? What if you could do it with just a few lines of code? Well, that's exactly the promise we're going to dive into.
All right, so let's get into it. First, we need to understand the core challenge here. See, it's one thing to have a single really smart AI agent. That's cool. But it's a whole other ballgame to get a bunch of them to work together like a real coordinated team.
I mean, think about it. A single AI agent, yeah, it can write some code, it can search the web, and that's pretty powerful stuff. But what about a really complex task? Something like researching an entire market, then writing a full-blown report, and then creating a presentation from it. For that, you don't just need one agent. You need a team of specialists who can hand off work to each other and build on what the others have done. And honestly, that coordination piece, that's exactly where most of these projects just fall apart.
And that is exactly where PraisonAI steps in. It's literally designed from the ground up to be the low-code solution for this exact problem, building and managing these complex multi-agent teams.
So, okay, what is it really? PraisonAI is a framework that lets you create these AI teams that can do it all. They can plan, they can research, they can code, they can automate entire workflows. And the 2 key words you really need to remember here are low code, which means it's super simple to get started, and production ready, which means this isn't a toy. It's robust enough to be used in real-world commercial applications.
And when you look at its core principles, you can really see this focus on balance. It's designed to be simple, but it's also super customizable. It's production ready with these critical features like agent handoffs just built right in. And get this, it supports over 100 different LLM providers, which is huge because it means you're not locked into any single model. Oh, and like we're about to see, it is also ridiculously fast.
So, how does it actually manage to do all this? Let's pop the hood and take a quick look at some of the key features that make these AI teams so darn effective.
Okay, let's just break down a few of the standout features here. First, there's a planning mode. This means the agents don't just blindly act, they actually strategize first. Then you've got agent handoffs, which are seamless, and that's absolutely crucial for teamwork. It also comes with built-in memory and native web search. And you'll see RAG on here. That stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. All that really means is that the agents can pull information from your specific documents to give much more accurate, context-aware answers. And the best part? All of this just works right out of the box.
Okay, and remember I mentioned speed? Well, check this out. The average time it takes to create a new agent is just 3.77 times microseconds. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. That's microseconds, not even milliseconds.
So you might be asking, why does a number that small even matter? Well, in a real-world production app, you could be spinning up thousands of these agent interactions every single minute. This kind of incredible speed means way less overhead, lower costs, and it lets your AI workforce scale up massively without the whole system just grinding to a halt.
And for those of you who are interested in the tech stack behind this, it's actually built on a pretty familiar foundation. It is overwhelmingly Python, which is great because it makes it accessible to a huge community of developers. But, and this is the clever part, it uses Rust for all the performance-critical pieces to make sure it keeps that incredible speed. It's kind of the best of both worlds.
Okay, enough of the technical stuff. Let's move from the features to the real-world impact. What can you actually build with an AI team like this?
Well, the possibilities here are pretty vast. You could assemble a team to automate really deep research and analysis, or you could create a squad of coding agents to write, debug, and even refactor software. You could deploy that 24/7 customer support team we talked about on platforms like Telegram or Discord. Or you could automate those complex internal business workflows with agents that can even fix themselves when things go wrong.
And it's important to note that PraisonAI isn't just the core framework. It's a whole ecosystem. You've got Claw, which is a dashboard for managing your agents. There's Flow, a visual drag-and-drop builder so you can design workflows without writing code. And there's a really clean UI for just chatting directly with your agents. It's basically a complete toolkit for building and deploying these AI teams.
Now, I know this might all sound super complex, but remember, one of the framework's core principles is simplicity. So let's look at how you can get your very first AI agent team up and running in, and I mean this, literally about 1 minute.
It really is this easy. Okay, step 1, you just define your team, who the agents are, and what they do in a simple text file called a YAML file. Just think of it like a basic instruction sheet, no complex code needed. Step 2, you run one single command in your terminal, and that's it. Step 3 is just watching as your AI team springs to life and gets to work solving the problem.
And this really highlights the massive shift in approach here. I mean, the old way, that required tons of complex code just to get agents to talk to each other. With PraisonAI, it's just a simple configuration file. You go from being stuck with the limitations of a single agent to harnessing the power of a whole coordinated team, all while just slashing your development time.
So I'll leave you with this one thought. Knowing that you can now assemble an expert AI team for pretty much any task in just a matter of minutes, what's the very first problem you would solve? What's that one tedious task you would automate first? Because really, the possibilities are now wide open.